2-3 दिन रहेगा नहीं? कितने दिन की? कितने दिन की? Okay. Take a stab. But it's.
Oh, thari.
We are on motorcycles. It is 6 a.m. well 7 a.m. And we are heading to go to do some hiking and all nature vibes today. I am so excited. Let's go on adventure. Just had our breakfast. Now we're making our way up there. Love tracking. Okay, Raj, tell me more about this mountain. Like, where is it located?
It's located near Udaipur.
Okay.
And it's a temple up there.
Okay.
It's a Dhuni Mata.
Dhuni Mata. Dhuni Mata.
Goddess.
And it's a
1 kilometer climb.
1 kilometer. 1 to 2 kilometers. Okay. It's also very like there's not a lot of, well, we haven't seen anyone else. I think we'll probably be the only people heading up here today. So, and the weather is just great. Like, so beautiful.
Many people come to this place.
It's really nice. How did you stumble across it? How did you come here for the first time? Like,
Our village is nearby 10 kilometers. So we know
about it. So at the back, that's Udaipur. Here we go. His sun is coming out a bit. Just loving the hike. Not too hectic, but also not. Just nice. The views. And this track is just so beautiful. Look at the nature. Nature. Fascina.
Got confused which language she is. It's a good idea, na? Nobody can understand what she is saying.
Okay, so we are heading to Shiva Lake, and we have come across like a village with all of these cute goats. The one goat was just standing on top of the motorcycle. Hello, how are you today? So cute. Okay.
Newborn baby.
Hello. Hello, kid. Hello, kid. Cute.
Old.
How old?
2 to 3 days.
2-3 दिन रहेगा नहीं? कितने दिन की? कितने दिन की?
3
दिन की।
2 to 3 days.
3 days. Like, what are those humans doing picking you up? Look at the beautiful blue eyes. Your eyes look like mine, yes.
She's also wearing a lens. Yeah, it's good photo.
Portrait अच्छा आया ना?
He's taken a good portrait.
So beautiful. So this part of my life is called peace.
Because the song.
Yeah.
I heard that song and I have made a video on that.
Yeah, everyone is.
That was song of peace.
Yeah. Can you do it?
Hey, दौड़ के.
Yeah. Don't fall. I'll do it the normal way. Slippery.
It's slippery.
Don't make fun of me.
It's a slippery.
Okay, quickly hold it, Hannah. Oh! Okay.
Take a stab. But it's
Oh, Thari.
We both nearly fell.
we both will. Ah!
यार अब सो गया आप शूज यार सही कहा इसमें एक मिनट यार वेट इट्स वेरी स्लिपरी सॉरी
Now you'll see the best part.
Wait for it.
चालू है दारू हटे आई दारू पीन चला जाओगा कांच के बोतल पे monsoon
Oh yeah. That's that photo that I. Oh, but it's beautiful.
This part is very slippery. This part is very slippery. नहीं मैं नहीं गिरूंगा. अरे अंडी बार हमारा हाथ गंदा वे गया यार ये तो कांजी है. स्लाइड.
अरे इसको अंदर रख दे. नहीं चालू है.
Centipede. What is centipede?
No, not centipede. They are different from centipede.
Okay.
Part of their family.
Okay. Do they bite?
Nah.
Oh, look at this. This place is beautiful. So it's been a crazy day full of nature. We went hiking and now we have this beautiful this waterfall down here at this lake. I have had such an amazing day. So that is all for today. Just want to say love you all.